What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another vlog. Today we are working on the Z again. I know it's been a while since I've recorded or done anything to the Z. It's been parked, put away for a while. We just haven't had enough time to work on it. So today we have the side skirts are getting painted, and I got a spoiler in the other day, so we're gonna install that too. I'm super pumped to show you guys the spoiler. I'm not gonna get to that until the end of the video, as I just wanna get the side skirts done and over with, and then you guys will see the spoiler. So I'm just gonna remove the side skirts right now, take them over to the paint shop to where my dad is, and we're gonna go from there. All right, so we're gonna start with the driver's side. We got the 2 on the rear, 1 on the front, and then we got, I think, 7 underneath. I know I counted last time, I can't remember. It's gonna be probably another couple weeks before we do the front bumper and the rear bumper. Those are both gonna be done one weekend, I believe on Family Day weekend. So that's 2 weekends away from now. So just before car season, this car is gonna be done and ready to go. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get this thing on the road and driving it again, because I'm tired of driving my Mazda. This weekend I got real lucky and it's super nice out, so I insured it just for the weekend. So it's pretty nice being able to drive it again. Even though it's half finished, I don't care. It's a nice car to drive. So I'm gonna get to it, take this side off. We're gonna go over to the passenger side, take that side off, and then we'll go to the paint shop. We got them off, so now we're gonna take them over to the paint shop, get them ready for paint, fix a few things, and go from there. So we'll catch you in the paint shop. Alright, so we got them over at the paint shop. We're going to do a little bit of repairs. We marked them last time we were working on them, on what we need to repair. We have a little bit of cracks. If you look right here, we got this line here is where the screw went. And then we got a couple cracks on the corners that we're going to fix up. I believe it's this one here. Yeah, this one has a crack on the edge here. So we're going to fix that. Little minimal work. It's cracks we put in when we were installing it. It's no big deal because it's just gonna be a quick, easy fix. But other than that, after that, it's gonna be sanding, prepping them for paint, and we go from there. So I just realized that there wasn't 7 or 8 or 6 or 7 screws or bolts at the bottom of the side skirts. I forgot we put just enough to bolt them in, so there was only 3 on each side. More than enough to hold them in. We also got double-sided tape that's gonna be on the top side of the panel here, right in here, just to keep it flush to the door. Other than that, there's the 2 screws on the rear and then 1 on the front. So it's held in there pretty good, and it looks pretty good. We did dial in the fitment, so the fitment is looking pretty good. Again, my dad's here to help me out today, and he's gonna be helping me out throughout the process. So we're gonna get to repairing the cracks and the holes.
This cut is fresh.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
So what we just did was gave it a water-based wash. It's just to clean up all the road grime off of the side skirts, just so we have a good prepping surface. So as we were cleaning, we noticed a spider crack. So I'm gonna let my dad explain a little bit more of what's gonna happen, because he's a lot more knowledgeable about this kind of stuff. So I'll let him explain everything.
So basically when you wash the panels down, we noticed the solvent or the water stayed within inside of a tiny little hairline cracks like this. This is called a spider crack. So what happens is if you don't take care of this now, when you go and paint the part and then hit the bake cycle, so as the product dries, it'll show up or even bubble. So you just want to take care of all this now if you want the perfect surface. You can just see it as it evaporates. So yeah, you want to handle this stuff now before you paint, otherwise it will cause a problem later.
So repairing a spider crack like this is fairly easy. Just grind it down to the fiberglass, and then we put putty on it, and then that's pretty much it.
Yeah, you're just taking, basically what this black surface is the gel coat. So you have, you can see how you got a couple layers of black. So you have primer, then you got that dark ring, and then you're layering. So you have like a fiberglass, gel coat, and then primer. That's the layers. So you take it down to the fiberglass, and it's V'd out, so you have like a gradual raise, and then you putty into that, and it keeps it all flat, keeps it from cracking. See how thin it is already?
Yeah.
It's warm. Oh, the fiberglass on the back side will give it some rigidity, and then the cosmetic stuff is just with the putty. Really, really easy. Sand it just a little bit more so I have more of an area to grab. See how that showed up?
So you just watched the fiberglass be put onto the side skirt where we needed the holes fixed. That is just all we do. We put the screws in so we know where the screws will go, so when we bolt it back in, it'll be exactly where they need to be. Yeah, looked like a pretty easy process. So this is what the end product looks like. We just gotta let it harden up, and then we can start applying putty and everything, the outsides to our little scratches and spider cracks. But here's the other side now. So we're gonna end up needing two new screws, which is no big deal. They're not that hard to replace.